Welcome back to the channel, fellow gardeners. Today I'm going to talk about one of the easiest crops you could possibly grow. Not only that, it's the fastest crop. So if you want to grow something and be eating it in a couple of weeks, these guys are the ticket. Radishes, so beautiful crisp radishes. Now, the ones I'm planting here are called Easter egg mix. It's a variety of different types. And as you can see, I've already planted some here and they're going great. So now, I don't know about you, but I can't eat that many radishes. So what I like to do is grow them in succession. So every week I will plant a row. As you can see here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of radishes. So they're just continuously coming up. You can see our last row are these little guys here. And it's time to plant another row out. So you can plant them pretty close together. What I'm going to do is just use my finger to drill a little ditch. Not very deep, they're only small seeds and you don't have to dig them down very deep. And then we're going to grab some of our radishes and sprinkle them in. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so that's our radish seed. Now they're blue because they've put like a fungicide on them. And we're just going to sprinkle them in that little ditch, nice and evenly. Like that. And then we just cover them. Like I said, not very deep. Now the soil's already wet, it rained last night, so I'm not going to water them in. I'm just going to leave them like that. And they're going to germinate in a week. They're going to be as big as these guys. In 2 weeks, like that, 3 and 4 weeks, you're going to be harvesting them. So they're your radishes. There's a heap of different varieties. You can grow the great big Japanese daikon radish, which they get massive. They get as big as a cucumber, and they're really nice. I just find they're too big to eat. But these little guys are fantastic. So I'll show you what I've done here. I've picked some this morning. We've got 4 there, and I'll just come down every morning and just pick a couple. You can chuck them in your salad, or you can just eat them raw like that. I like just to eat them like this. If you pick them before they're too big, they're not very spicy. You can get very peppery and spicy otherwise. But these are absolutely amazing. And what we'll do is I don't eat the greens. Apparently you can eat the greens, but I don't eat them. But I'll give them to the chooks, and we'll do that this morning too. Alright, just rip the tops off. Just twist the tops off like that. One more. They're going to go up in the kitchen to be eaten. And the tops, let's go give them to the chooks. Okay, and all these tops just go to the chooks and they get their nice fresh green tops as well. Here they come. Yum! Here they all come. Come on. So yeah, great for the chooks to eat. Keeps them nice and healthy. And keeps us healthy because we get to eat the radishes. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Quick little video to show you one of the easiest crops to grow and one of the fastest crops to harvest. Thanks for watching. Bye.